Is it too late to start a blog? I'm tackling this question right here. Start a blog if you have a topic, just one topic that you really want to dig deep and explore. And I say one topic because although there are many blogs out there that cover a variety of topics, when you are starting out as a new blogger, in this day and age specifically, you want to be as niche as possible. You want Google to see your blog and all your content and say, hey, that blogger is a connoisseur. They are an expert of this specific topic. So we're going to drive all the traffic to this person's blog when someone's Googling that specific topic. One of the reasons why you should not start a blog is if you cannot blog consistently. It is too late to start a blog if you just want to blog here, there, everywhere, just like that song goes. You need to commit to blogging if you're starting a blog right now. Again, there's so much competition, so many topics out there. So if you want to be a successful blogger, as a new blogger, you have to make sure that you're creating consistent content that is well researched and well written. And yes, long form content is queen. Not all content does well. So blogging really takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, and consistency. Speaking of long form content, start a blog if you have the time to really, again, create and write really well researched long form content. Google loves long blog posts, like 700, 800, maybe even 1,200 words. I know, who has time for that? Well, blogger, if you want to start a blog today, then yes, that is what you have to do. The days of writing 300-word posts are over. Think competition. How is Google going to say you are an expert in this topic if you're writing 3 sentences? It's just not gonna fly. So is it too late to start a blog if you don't want to write a lot and consistently? I'm sorry to tell you that yes, it's too late. If you're good with all that and you're like, yes, Suhaiti, I'm committed, I'm gonna be consistent, I'm gonna write this long form content, yes! You have to ask yourself what you're willing to invest in your blog. Only launching a blog is pretty affordable. I mean, you only need a domain, a web host, and a WordPress design. Yeah, I recommend WordPress almost always for bloggers because WordPress is literally designed for bloggers. And you could also get a free WordPress blog, so it doesn't have to be that costly. You still have to invest a lot of energy into blogging. As for how much more money you have to invest besides the basics down the line, when you want your blog to grow, or even in the beginning if you want to go out with a bang, you should be investing in Pinterest ads specifically. Pinterest is great to grow your blog organically, so if you put a little money back into it, then it's going to help grow your blog even faster. I don't think I have to say this, but you should probably start a blog if you love creating content, like you're a content creation king or queen. Because again, blogging takes tremendous time and effort, especially now with all the competition. Is it too late to start a blog if you don't want to create content? Yes, it's too late. It's also too late to start a blog if you don't want to invest, again, time and energy on this one thing that can make or break your blog as a new blogger. SEO, keyword research. Before you even throw a blog up in the blogosphere and say, hey world, I'm here, I'm blogging, you must take so much time to create an SEO strategy and yes, research all those blog topics to make sure that you are not competing with the huge brands out there that are writing about the same topic that you are writing about. That takes weeks, sometimes even months of work. So yes, it is too late to start a blog if you do not want to invest that time and learn a little bit about SEO keyword research. Okay, these are my final thoughts. Blogging can be extremely liberating. It is an amazing side hustle that can actually become your full-time job if you invest, again, the time and the money and the energy, and you pour yourself into creating amazing long-form content and learning about SEO. Blogging offers many opportunities to brand yourself. I started as a blogger, a relationship blogger specifically, and turned that into being a relationship expert. And I was able to go on SiriusXM, have my own show, and do TV appearances and work with huge brands. So, final answer, is it too late to start a blog? It is never too late if you have the drive, the passion, and you're proactive in learning everything having to do with blogging in this day and age. For me, it's totally worth it. So much so that I started a new blog, SuhaitiGonzalez.com, to share writing and blogging tips with all of you. What can I say? I love content. That's it for me, your girl Suhaiti. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if any of this was helpful, and leave a comment below if you're starting your blog. Drop your blog link. I would love to go and check it out, and stay tuned for more writing and blogging tips right here.